Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the YDP Cosmetics Makeup Perfector Sponge. Little about the company first. YDP Cosmetics is launched by an Indian beauty blogger. Her blog goes by the name of Your Beauty Pal, hence YDP Cosmetics. So this is a line of cosmetic products and this is their very first launch. AKA, this is the very first Indian beauty blender, and I could not be more proud that she doesn't want India to lag behind in their range of makeup products, which I think is great. So as soon as it came out, I was really excited to try this and I purchased this on their website. This product is for 999 rupees and it has free shipping. At least when I got it, it has free shipping. It comes in two colors, in white, which is called the Naked, and black, which is called Lust. I ordered the white sponge. So it comes in this sort of a box. I have attached a picture because I've misplaced my box. So it comes in this sort of a cardboard box, and once you pop it open, and once it is open, you get this sort of plastic can in which you get your sponge right here. So as I said, I ordered the white one, and very quickly I'm going to tell you why I absolutely love this product. So the sponge itself is very soft. The texture is really great. Usually so I have used the Beauty Blender Original and I have used the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge, and compared to both of those, the texture of this is a lot more smoother. Usually in those you can see the pores coming through, which automatically, even when it's completely wet, you can automatically tell that that's going to soak up a lot of the product, which this sponge does not do. This sponge literally keeps the product on the surface and it does not soak it up. So how I use this sponge is basically just take my foundation, dip it into the foundation using this side, and kind of just apply it all over my face, pat it all over my face, and it blends it absolutely seamlessly, which is really great. And then I kind of use this pointed edge to dip into my concealer and kind of blend that out as well. Now it is really funny because in my last two videos I have been using this sponge to do my base, and it was after those videos that I have received so many comments and a lot of texts from a lot of my friends saying that your base looks absolutely seamless. Now I have been using the same products in those videos that I have used before, but it was only after I started using this sponge that I have received this kind of a response where everyone's telling me that your base is looking flawless, it's looking so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link those two videos down in the description box. So if you want to see how I use this sponge specifically, then you can just click those links. So what I also love about this sponge is the tin that it comes in. So it comes with this little air holes over here. So if you've just used your sponge and you haven't gotten around to washing it yet, you can just store it inside this tin, and you know that it's not going to start smelling or anything of that sort because of the dampness, because of these air holes. So I think it's something really smart that she's done. Also, while you're using the product and you don't want to set it down because it's damp, and if you set it down on, for example, some eyeshadow or something that's really dusty, it's going to catch it right away. So what I do when I'm using it, that I just place the sponge in there and till I have to use it next to blend in my concealer or something like that. So I know it's something really small, but honestly it really helps in hygiene. You don't set it down anywhere else that will catch dust or anything else on the sponge because you're using it directly onto your skin. This is something really great. Moving on to the cons, I think the only thing that I can think of that maybe I don't like is that when it is its full size, it is a little too big. Which is fine for the rest of your skin, but when it comes to really going into the inner corner to blend out your concealer, I think it is a little too big for that. But I don't mind it because I just kind of blend out how much of it I can without spoiling my eyeshadow, and then I just go in with my pinky or my little finger right here and I just kind of blend the rest of my concealer out. So honestly, that is something I don't mind. Another thing, I guess this was my fault because I called for the white one, is that I really tried to wash this, but this little stain right here and this little stain right here was just not budging. Now, I don't know what it is, what has happened and why that's not happening. I'm really scared to scrub it more because I'm scared I might tear it. But other than that, I know that it is clean, it is just stained, it's not dirty yet. so I don't mind using it over and over again. So these coins are minimalistic. I mean, I don't really mind it. I don't really mind them because honestly the finish and the end product that this sponge gives you is absolutely great. So all in all, I really recommend this product. I think it's awesome and I think it gives you the best finish ever. And I'm so happy and I'm so proud that it is an Indian product that is actually worth using and is at par or even better than the international products that are in the market out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review and I will see you next week.